Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Diamond Rose. If you haven't already, like, subscribe, and comment down below, and tap that notification bell if you haven't already. Thank you very much. Now this video is going to be very short. It's going to be brief, and this is from a company called Insight Global. They have multiple positions open, but I'm pointing out this one that is an entry-level position, and it's with the job role will be a IAM analyst, and it's a remote position based out in Los Angeles, California. And it start and pay for the entry level position, you guys, is very high paid, $60 to $68 per hour. It's a full-time job position. It's a contract job, and the benefits goes as 401k, dental insurance, health insurance, vision insurance, and it's going to be very brief. The full job description is day-to-day for you being an IAM analyst will be a large health system in San Diego area is looking for a 100% remote IAM analyst. 3. To join their team. The analyst will partially participate in specific project-based work such as cleanup efforts, analysis of requirements, documentation, and more. They will resolve escalations received through a ticket queue. Inquiries may include provisioning, certifications, access removal. They will collaborate with other employees and business partners to identify opportunities and improve existing IAM operations and processes. They will administer and build new security rules, classes, or rules within IAM tool based on customer needs. They will work daily in Active Directory managing identities. This will include password policies, user access, disabling users, structuring OU locations, etc. Now this is a full-time job position. It's a contract position as well. $60 through $68 per hour. It's an 8-hour shift. They're hiring for one candidate for this role, and they're priority hiring. This posted today. So you guys jump on this job, and that'll be all for this video. Hope you like, subscribe, and comment down below, and turn on the notification bell. Get a piece of that work pie, you guys. It's out there for you. Go ahead and do it. I will talk to you guys on the next video. Bye for now.